Okay, hey guys, we are the group at number 4, and we're on balls manufacturing with 3D printing by stereolithography and digital light processing. Okay, um, today we have many methods to 3D printing. The most common are focus, deposition modeling, stereolithography, and digital light processing. For this study, we use stereolithography and digital light processing. Okay, we have a methodology for our job. Number one is important factors. For example, washing times, post curing orientation, layer thickness, and resins. Number two, resin characterization and clear resins, gray resins, and high strength resin. Number three, bold characterization, uh, and ball length, length of three part, and three. Number for is important wear test. For this wear test, we use a prototype machine. And finally, it's important to do a traction test. Use ISO 68921 rule.
Okay, so first we made the word test where we make these cycles to warn these bolts. And with this tension test that we made to break these bolts, we can calculate the stress table that we need using the cross-sectional area of the bolt, that is 63.89 square millimeters. With this stress table, we can compare these results with the results from group 2, where they didn't make this word test first. And we can put together and compare and show the graphics ultimate stress versus number of cycles, where it seems that the decrease of the stress at which it reaches the rupture. Consider that the data of group 2 is attributed with 0 wear cycles. We can see the percentage decrease in ultimate stress, that it comes from 200 cycles, 500 cycles, and 1,000 cycles. We can see it goes from 25% until 3.95%. Okay, we can see the results too, that we have this prototype machine incorporated with our wear test, and we can see how these bolts is worn from A to B to C, with with the wear test is going on. And finally we can see where the bolt breaks, that is between the union of this bolt and one of its nuts, and we have see these blocks. So in conclusion, we have to, according to the data obtained, as we saw in the graphic, that the breaking load increases as the number of cycles increases. Also, we have that in all the cycles recorded, the clear resin has the highest ultimate stress, while the gray resin has the lowest. Finally, it is observed that the ultimate strength of the specimens with theoretically zero wear cycles have higher ultimate strength than the elements subjected to wear. Okay, and for recommendation and future works, we have to make sure to have at least one extra test tube, as there might be many inconveniences where a spare is needed. We have to keep a photographic record as extensive as possible, because that allows us to evidence the whole process, and work with resins that have better mechanical and thermal properties will have better results. Thanks.
700, 800, 900, 900.